What's up, PC gaming fanatics, and welcome back to PC Gaming Pulse. We're kicking things off today with some major financial news hitting the tech world. Financial powerhouse Aveo Capital Partners LLC has significantly adjusted its holdings in NVIDIA Corporation, a move that always gets the market talking. We'll break down exactly what this means for the chip giant and its investors. But the financial shakeups don't stop there. We've also got word that Mizuho Markets Americas LLC has made a substantial change to its own investment in NVIDIA Corporation. With these big players shifting their stakes, it's crucial to understand the ripple effects across the industry. We're diving deep into these financial maneuvers right now. Next up, prepare for a prediction that could redefine the stock market landscape. We're talking about an unstoppable company poised to achieve a staggering $2 trillion valuation, potentially joining the ranks of tech titans like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Apple. Could this be the next big investment opportunity you've been waiting for? And finally, get ready to level up your career. MasterClass is launching an innovative new certificate program developed in collaboration with industry giants Microsoft, Alphabet, and NVIDIA. This program aims to equip you with the high-impact skills needed to thrive in our rapidly evolving world. Stick with us for all the details and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a pulse. Aveo Capital Partners, LLC, sells off majority stake in NVIDIA. Could this be a sign of shifting market sentiment or just a strategic portfolio adjustment? Aveo Capital Partners, LLC, has drastically reduced its stake in the semiconductor giant NVIDIA Corporation, shedding 58.4% of its shares in the first quarter. This significant divestment, amounting to 28,396 shares, leaves Aveo Capital Partners with 20,240 shares, previously valued at a hefty $2,369,000. This move by Aveo Capital Partners, LLC, comes amidst a flurry of activity from other institutional investors. Brighton Jones, LLC, for instance, expanded its NVIDIA holdings by 12.4%, acquiring an additional 35,815 shares. Similarly, Bank Pictet and Cy Europe AG increased its position by 1%, adding 22,929 shares, while Highview Capital Management, LLC DE and Hudson Value Partners, LLC also saw boosts in their investments. These shifts highlight a dynamic market where major players are actively managing their exposure to NVIDIA, a company that continues to dominate headlines. Adding another layer to the story, NVIDIA's own CEO, Jen H. Sun Huang, recently sold 75,000 shares, a transaction valued at over $12.7 million. Director Don E. Hudson also offloaded 18,000 shares. These insider sales, while substantial, represent a small fraction of their overall holdings, but they certainly add to the ongoing narrative surrounding NVIDIA's stock. Analysts remain largely bullish on NVIDIA, with a consensus moderate buy rating and an average price target of $207.42. However, recent reports from Truist Financial and KeyCorp have revised price targets upward, signaling continued confidence in the company's future performance. The market is keenly watching NVIDIA's every move, especially following its impressive quarterly earnings, which saw revenue surge by 55.6% year-over-year. Will these financial maneuvers signal a turning point for NVIDIA's stock, or is it just market noise? Stay tuned as we uncover the next big story, a prediction that could see a new tech titan emerge. Mizuho Markets Americas, LLC trims NVIDIA position amidst market flux. In a market buzzing with activity around NVIDIA Corporation, Mizuho Markets Americas, LLC has also adjusted its investment strategy, notably decreasing its holdings in the semiconductor powerhouse. The firm sold off 322,351 shares, a reduction of 24.6% in its stake, leaving them with 990,087 shares, valued at approximately $107,306,000. This strategic move positions NVIDIA as the 14th largest holding in Mizuho Markets Americas LLC's portfolio, representing about 2.2% of their total investments. This adjustment by Mizuho Markets Americas LLC occurs while other major financial institutions are making significant plays in NVIDIA stock. Goldman Sachs Group Inc. dramatically increased its stake by 123.5%, adding over 103 million shares. Similarly, Gamma Investing LLC saw an astronomical surge in its holdings, up by over 12,000%, and Senegan Asset Management SA expanded its position by 204.6%. These contrasting moves from institutional investors underscore the complex and often divergent strategies employed in managing large portfolios within the volatile tech sector. Adding to the intrigue, NVIDIA's CEO, Jen H. Sun Huang, and director Don E. Hudson have recently sold shares, totaling millions of dollars. While these insider transactions are closely scrutinized, they represent a minor change in their substantial ownership. Analysts continue to express strong confidence in NVIDIA, maintaining a moderate buy consensus. Price targets have seen upward revisions from firms like Truist Financial and Bank of America, reflecting optimism about the company's robust earnings and market position. NVIDIA's recent earnings report showcased impressive year-over-year revenue growth of 55.6%, further solidifying its dominance. With major players like Aveo Capital Partners and Mizuho Markets Americas LLC adjusting their NVIDIA investments, what does the future hold for this tech giant? Prepare yourself for a bold prediction about a stock set to join the $2 trillion club. Broadcom poised to join elite $2 trillion club, rivaling NVIDIA and Microsoft. Forget oil and gas. The future is tech, and Broadcom is looking to cement its place among the titans. In a stunning projection, analysts predict that Broadcom, a key player in data center and AI infrastructure, is on track to achieve a staggering $2 trillion market capitalization, potentially joining the ranks of tech giants like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, and Amazon before 2027. Broadcom's strategic expansion from semiconductors into software and security solutions, coupled with its critical role in facilitating 99% of internet traffic, positions it uniquely in the AI landscape. The company's acquisition of VMware and the successful transition of VMware Cloud Foundation to a subscription model have significantly boosted its infrastructure software operating margins to an impressive 77%. This strategic move has been met with widespread adoption, with over 90% of Broadcom's top customers utilizing VCF. Financially, Broadcom is firing on all cylinders. The company recently reported a record third-quarter revenue of $15.9 billion, a 22% year-over-year increase, alongside a 36% jump in adjusted earnings per share to $1.69. CEO Hock Tam revealed that a major prospect, widely believed to be OpenAI, has approved a production order for Broadcom's custom AI accelerators, an order expected to generate an additional $10 billion in revenue next year alone. Wall Street's outlook is overwhelmingly positive, with projections anticipating 20% annual revenue growth over the next 5 years. If these estimates hold, Broadcom could reach the $1 trillion market cap milestone as early as 2027, with accelerated growth suggesting it might happen even sooner. The generative AI market itself is projected to be worth trillions annually, and Broadcom's integral role in its infrastructure ensures it's well-positioned to capitalize on this massive opportunity. Despite its impressive surge, Broadcom's forward P/E to growth ratio of 0.65 suggests the stock may still be undervalued, especially when compared to its 10-year growth of 2,660%, far outpacing the S&P 500's 237%. With such a bullish outlook, is Broadcom the next big tech investment to watch? Get ready for a different kind of innovation as MasterClass partners with tech giants for a new career-boosting program. MasterClass partners with Microsoft, Alphabet, and NVIDIA for future-proofing certificates. In a rapidly evolving job market where skills can become obsolete overnight, MasterClass is stepping up to equip learners with the tools they need to succeed. The popular online learning platform has launched a new series of future-proof certificate programs developed in collaboration with industry leaders like Microsoft, Alphabet, and NVIDIA, alongside the Navy SEAL Foundation. This initiative directly addresses concerns highlighted in a recent survey, where a significant majority of respondents worried about their skills becoming irrelevant due to rapid industry changes and expressed a desire for employers to support AI training. David Rogier, founder and CEO of MasterClass, emphasized that adaptability is key, stating, "Jobs are being rewritten. The people who thrive learn faster than the job changes." These certificates are designed to provide practical experience, portfolio-ready work, and a credible credential from organizations at the forefront of innovation. Each certificate course features up to 20 hours of content, including video lessons and interactive readings, culminating in a personalized project reviewed for quality and designed for potential employers. Learners will also benefit from AI-driven feedback to refine their skills. The initial course offerings include leadership and decision-making under pressure, with the Navy SEAL Foundation, breakthrough innovation strategy, with Alphabet's X, the Google Moonshot Factory, lead with AI, with Microsoft, and scaling AI strategy, with NVIDIA. This educational push aligns with the broader recognition of AI's impact on the workforce and the growing demand for specialized skills. The PC Gaming Pulse Awards also highlight excellence in ed tech, focusing on AI integration and workforce development, further underscoring the importance of such forward-thinking educational initiatives. These programs are not just about learning, they are about building a resilient and adaptable career in the face of constant technological advancement. These collaborations are setting a new standard for professional development. But before you go, let's do a quick recap of today's top stories. And that's a wrap on PC Gaming Pulse. We saw Aveo Capital Partners LLC and Mizuho Markets Americas LLC making strategic moves with NVIDIA shares. We explored a bold prediction that Broadcom could soon join the $2 trillion club alongside tech giants. And we learned about MasterClass's exciting new certificate programs developed with Microsoft, Alphabet, and NVIDIA to future-proof your career. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PC Gaming Pulse for all your tech and gaming news, hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. You can also follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.